Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you are already a subscriber, I appreciate you returning to watch this video and I hope you enjoy it. If you are not yet a subscriber, I hope you enjoy this video enough to subscribe to my channel. I like to do Dollar Tree hauls, different hauls from different stores, and some crafting. And this is what I have for you today. It's a project share from Beebeecraft. They have a partnership where you can receive free items and then you unbox them on your channel, and then you do a couple more videos after that showing what you've made with the things that you receive. And you can do this if you have over 100 subscribers. I will put the link in my description for that YouTube partnership, along with the link for the items that's in this video, and the link to their website, and also a 5% off. I think it's $40. If you want to order anything from their website, you can get 5% off with my code. This is one of the wood rounds that I received from them. I received 5 of them, and they're really good wood rounds. I enjoyed working with these. So I just took some Mod Podge and I covered the wood round, and I took some scrapbooking paper, and I thought I had recorded this, but I didn't. But I put the scrapbooking paper down on here, and then I went over the scrapbooking paper with Mod Podge, and then I let this dry. Okay, I'm just going in with my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to cut off the excess scrapbooking paper. And when you cover this with Mod Podge, it makes it just a little bit stiffer and a little easier to do. I'm going in with my Dollar Tree sanding block and just going around the edges and removing all the excess that the X-Acto knife didn't get. And I'm going in with some ink in the color Cocoa and just going to go around and darken the edges of this wood round. Okay, I went into Cricut Design Space and I looked for some images just for, like, you know, a banner. And I cut out 5 pieces that were larger and 5 more pieces that were smaller that would fit on top of these pieces. I wanted to layer the banner, and I made the mistake of setting my Cricut on paper instead of cardstock, so it didn't cut the banners out. So I'm just going to go in and cut them with my scissors. Okay, I took a piece of jute twine and I ran it across the front of this wood round, and I hot glued it on the back. And now I'm just layering these pieces of banner. I'm gluing it down with some glue that I had found at the Dollar Tree. It said it dried clear, and it did dry clear, but it also dried glossy. So when I glued the letters down to form the word love on the front of the banner pieces, you could see the glossiness of it. Okay, I went into Cricut Design Space and I looked up some images for some hearts, and I found one that had some stitching around the edges of it, and I decided to go with that so the white could pop through the heart a little bit. Okay, this is some burlap ribbon that I ordered from Beebeecraft. It's a really nice burlap ribbon. It's got the wired edges. I'm going to cut off 5 pieces around approximately the same size, and I'm going to make 5 miniature bows. I'm not a bow maker, so I tried to make 5 miniature bows. And I just took some twine, and that's what I tied into the middle of the bows to keep them together. Okay, here I'm just going in with that ink in the color Cocoa, and I'm just going to darken up the edges of the banners pieces and also the bows. Okay, here I'm just taking some little heart jimmies. You saw them in a clip before. And I'm going to hot glue those little tiny ones to the middle of each of these bows. And now I'm taking the pieces of the banner and I'm just going to glue them onto this piece of jute twine here to make it look like it's just hanging from the wood round. Okay, I'm just going to take this Beebeecraft burlap ribbon and make a bow and hot glue it down to the top of this wood round. And then I took a larger of the pink jimmies and hot glued it to the middle of the bow. Okay, that completes my project for my Beebeecraft project share. If you have 100 subscribers or more, I encourage you to check this partnership out, and I appreciate you all watching this video. I think this turned out pretty cute. I think I'm going to go back in and make one of these with some fabric. I'll still hang this one and use this one, but I think I would like to do this with some fabric. But I appreciate you guys watching this video, and don't forget to check out the links in the description box, and there is a discount code if you want to order some project. They have all kinds of products. They have like the wax seal kits, wax to do that, all different kinds of things. They have beads, stencils, just all kinds of different things they have. It's not just, you know, I think they just have everything, lots of different things. So I encourage you to check their website out, and everybody have a nice day, and everybody have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you.